I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Klaiyi here again. All right, so this is the packaging that I got today. This cute bag with the box inside. Love. They also put this drawstring branded bag on the inside, so that's nice. And then this is the box. I love the revamped packaging. All right, so first thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into. And then, ooh, I got some press-on nails. Okay, I got 2 of these clips, great for when you're styling your hair. A pair of wig caps, HD wig caps, and a branded Klaiyi hair elastic headband. That's everything for goodies. Let's get into today's wig. The wig is Klaiyi hair straight put on and go glueless lace 7x5 lace closure. Bye knots pre-cut human hair wig, and this is a kinky straight texture. It's also a medium cap. Okay, so medium cap that we have, and it's 24 inches long. This hair quality feels so strong and nice. It feels so good. The movement is lovely. It's a 1B natural, you know, color. It looks really good, I can't lie. And what's lovely about this is that it's a drawstring cap, so you know, with this, as I said, it's a glueless wig, but I feel like having a drawstring cap construction makes everything even more secure, even though we already have the comb and the, you know, adjustable strap on. So inside the cap, this right here makes the world of difference. How you do it basically is you just adjust it to how tight you want it to be. You use the first knob here, you put, you know, slide it into place, and then there's a second like knob that you just slide down to like lock that first one in place, and that's all you need. It's really secure, and you just do the same thing in reverse to loosen it. Okay, so I love that. There's one comb in the cap, one comb in the back, and then there's adjustable straps and an additional elastic band. Okay, now the lace is already bleached and tinted for you. It is pre-cut, as I said, and pre-plucked, so it's very realistic and very beginner friendly. Okay, look at that, perfection. It's a 7x5 closure wig, so you know that you have a lot of space to work with. If you want to give this a side part, you can, and you can do minimal styling based on the space that we have here working with this closure. It's very full, and I love the kinky straight texture. It feels really good. It does give that realistic feel and look. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this very easy and quick installation. Take the comb inside the cap, and you put it like you put it within your hair so that it's secure in the back. Then you want to take the string as I showed you first. So you take that first knob and you just slide it in place to how tight you want it to be, the wig to be on your head. And then you take the smaller knob and slide it down to lock it in place. After you do that, then you take the string, and I literally just push it beneath the cap. Push it beneath the cap, and that's it. Super secure on your head. Let me give you guys a shake test. This is how it looks in the front. Very snugged. Now this is how it looks up close. You can see that very tiny discreet line of cast. So I'm gonna take a little bit of powder and just, you know, you can use a face powder for this, and you just, you know, blend that in really nicely. It looks so much like scalp. Like, let me do that first.
I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I played the couch staring at her.
That's how we're looking. That looks so good. Now You see how beautiful, how straight this is out of the packaging. I haven't even went through this as yet with my flat iron, so I know it's gonna look so good. Now you could go ahead, wear it as is in the center part, or you could opt to go ahead and do a different style, because as I said, there is space to work with within this closure. So you could go ahead and do, you know, a side part, like, look at that, it's giving scalp. Okay, so you could do a side part, you know, you could do like a little half up, half down. Like, you could go in and really just play around with it.
Trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can bring these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away, clear up all these rainy days. I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on right, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, getting the best of me.
Yeah, feel free to go ahead and style it different ways. So I'm just doing a little demonstration of different looks you could do, just so you guys know. If you want to go ahead and, like, you know, do braids within this area, you can do that, because it is giving scalp. They bleached this wig to perfection. All right, and I must admit, Klaiyi has definitely upgraded their quality. They really have, and I am loving that. I'm loving that. So this is how we're looking, right? I'm gonna go ahead and get it even flatter on top with my hot comb, and then I'm gonna go through the entire wig with my flat irons, just get it really nice and bone straight. Let's get into that. Perfection. I love this. This wig is so convenient. Like, this wig is really nice. No doubt. No doubt. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the most flawless glueless wig I've received in a bit. And you guys know I show you a lot of really good, really great, flawless glueless wigs, or wigs in general, but this is just that girl. It's so flat, the way it's versatile, how secure it is. I love this. 10 out of 10 definitely recommend this. Klaiyi, shout out to you guys. Like, look at that, and it's kinky straight. Like, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you're interested, you can go ahead, check it out, you know, get it for yourself or somebody else. All the specifications will be listed if you're looking for a code or anything like that. If one is available for any discount, you know, or even sale, it will be listed. You guys know the vibes. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. If you liked it, if it was informative, go ahead, give me a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Stay tuned for more gorgeous wig looks and just looks overall. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.